Good evening all. Welcome back to the channel. I am Yog. I'm very excited today because after 1 week of wait, I finally received my LG 34-inch curved display. This video will be all about unboxing it and sharing my first impressions about the product. Currently, I do have 27-inch ultra-wide monitor, but it's for the first time that I'll be using a 34-inch and that too a curved display. Let's see how it goes. I'm very excited. But first things first. Let's see what's inside. This is a stand. Some documentation, and this is a power adapter and a power cable. This is a stand, I suppose. Yes, this is a stand. LG's packaging is solid. There are no rattling or no flex. It's especially important for a curved display like this. Okay. It has two HDMI ports and one display port, and the other is one for headphone jack. I think this slot is for the stand. Power cord, HDMI, and this one is display port. The adapter. Chalo, let's go to the study table where this finally rests. This is the 27-inch ultra-wide LG monitor which I was using until now, but because of some issues, half the screen got pixelated, and so I had to buy a new one. I had been using it for like more than 5 years now. I think it was about time that I changed my monitor. Okay, this is the center stand. And this must be the base. This is all matte finish. Okay, it was just a simple click, no screws, nothing. And okay, that was pretty quick and early to say. There is one screw at the bottom that attaches the base with the stand. Whoa. So that was a pretty quick setup. It was very simple. But frankly saying, coming from 27-inch and upgrading it to 34-inch, it's not that quite a difference. Means my first impressions are like that. Let's start it. Whoa. So as soon as you turn on this screen, you actually feel that the screen is more immersive. I always thought that it's all gimmick and these things don't actually work in real world, but oh, it's not yet connected. So as I was saying that the picture quality is really very good. I think it supports resolution of 3440 by 1440, and yeah, it's connected. And no doubt this is a much better display than the previous one. I thought that it's not much bigger difference coming from 27-inch, but I guess I was wrong. The display is really good, and the bezels are very thin. It's almost like edge to edge display. The best thing about curved displays, the ultrawide displays, is that it covers much more area on the width wise and does not take much of the useless height. Plus I like this aspect ratio of 21:9 as against 16:9, which comes in a regular monitor like these. It's very helpful when you are working on TradingView and you are reading charts. I think it will be very useful when I'll be editing videos as well, because lot of space will be available for to look at my timeline. So this is Mac Mini. The speaker output is from Mac Mini. Oh, it has no speakers here. Oh god, I don't think this has a built-in speakers. They simply have headphone jacks. You have to connect some external speakers on this device. My god, how clumsy it was, how careless of me that I did not check all the specifications before buying something like this. No doubt the display is good, the quality seems fair enough, but out only. So this is it. I guess there are no speakers, but apart from that, this I can use two systems on with one display. This should be good because I have a Windows computer as well, which I can connect, and parallelly I can work on my Mac as well. It has flicker safe technology. In my last display, I faced this issue of flickering of the screen, and that is why I have to upgrade it to this monitor. No doubt the picture quality is good as they are advertising. It has RGB 99%, HDR10. The stand is decent. It has tilt feature. There is no height adjustment, I suppose. 100 Hz refresh rate, I think it's standard these days. And that's it. It was a little let down that there are no speakers, inbuilt speakers in this. So that was the review of not the review, the unboxing and the first impressions about the monitor. I purchased it for 27,000 rupees, and 5% cashback makes it about 26,000. And I think I can find better options in the market, but let's see how this display works, because the picture quality is really good, very good. It's a very good upgrade from my last display. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, do like it, share with your friends who are in the market for buying a monitor, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.